wish and getting those? You gotta scan them?
Yeah, you gotta download the app and then you scan them.
Oh yeah?
Kickstart.
That's what's up. I never drove one of those. I got my own little moped, but
The thing is, I don't have enough for my car.
okay.
I gotta add another car.
All right. Talk to you later, man.
Yeah.
All right. How you like Grand Rapids, though? You go ahead. You can say whatever. You can say whatever.
Okay, edit all that out.
I edit out. You like Grand Rapids, though?
Yes.
You guys from here?
Yes.
All right. That's what's up. That's what's up. You know what I'm saying? We out downtown chilling and
I
stuff.
was special when I said that.
I be on Facebook at Ani Nave though.
Oh, yeah?
We love Grand Rapids. Grand Rapids is a beautiful place.
Right. We're going to add you on. I'm going to add you guys on.
Take the camera off them because I'm more important. I'm the star.
I do. I got a YouTube channel. All right. I just walking around Grand Rapids, just chilling.
Just
like
chilling.
you guys. Yeah, like you guys.
We just chill around here.
Chilling like a villain.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
chill like a villain.
Y'all got to be easy, all right?
Yep.
Bye-bye. What up, bro? How you doing? You chilling? You good? All right.
Concert tonight. He's big country star.
Okay.
Very busy downtown Grand Rapids.
All right, and she just doing her job. See?
Get in there.
God bless you, man. You the best.
Oh, thank you. Bless you. too. Have a good
Keep
day.
grinding, keep doing what you're doing, and making the world better.
You too.
There you go. God bless you. Oh, I'm gonna go down this way. Hey yo, y'all see? Hey yo, you dancing with no music? Yo, you having a good time? There you go. Happy Grand Rapids. Happy Saturday.
People. Hey,
How you doing?
I love people.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
when people are right,
Uh-huh.
and everybody's just trying to have a good time.
Right.
I don't care. Anybody just have a good time. Love one another.
Right.
You know, I don't care what color you are.
Black, white, Japanese, Asian.
It's time to come together.
Come together, yeah.
I don't care the difference.
Right.
Just love one another.
That's what's up. Happy Saturday, man.
Everybody just gotta love one another.
Yeah, get drunk for me, baby.
No,
Get drunk for me, baby.
It's about that just-
Get drunk for me, baby.
It's about, hey, just love
Okay.
one another and
That's what's
enjoy
up.
your life.
Right, have a good time, man.
right.
Happy Saturday, baby.
Yeah.
It's another. I think this is another hotel. I think this is the Amway, if I'm not mistaken, out here. But we gonna go that. We gonna go this way real quick. That's just Grand Rapids, man. It's pretty nice. Nice little city. You from Grand Rapids, sir? Where you from, man? You don't mind being on camera? I hope not. All right. I hope you're on camera shy.
I'm kind of shy.
You are? Okay, nice talking to you. I'm a little walk behind you. How you doing, man? You guys chilling? All right. But yeah, this is most like that's the Amway over there if you really look at it. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta watch out when you walking. Be careful. I'm gonna let you guys go. How you guys doing? Chilling. I know you from somewhere, I don't know where. You ain't from here? Where you from? Oh yeah? Nice to meet you. Happy Saturday.
All right, happy
All right, that's
Saturday
what I'm
to you, my
saying.
man.
Hey,
Happy
yeah.
Saturday to you.
Let's get
We up
drunk.
here vibing, Grand Rapids.
Hey, Grand Rapids, baby, Grand Rapids. Nice talk to you guys.
It's been a good time so
And you
far.
guys looking very, very cute over here.
Well, thank you.
There you go.
Good morning, what's in there?
I never been there.
Oh, well.
What is it? The
Bridesmaids, we're at a bachelorette party. They all got some things.
Oh yeah?
All cuties up in there.
I'm scared to go. They probably won't let me on my camera.
Why not?
I don't know.
Just keep your eye peels for us, because we're going to be on the move tonight.
See, I'm gonna come back.
All right.
I'm gonna come back. That's what it is.
Vicinity.
And
Right.
I see you got Henry pounding on the window. I'm going to put him up in the window.
I'm like, oh, there we go.
Get him in the window. Get him in the window.
All right, brother.
All right, man. You have a good night.
You too. Appreciate it. God bless you.
It's a good ass
Happy
time.
Saturday. Hey, happy
Same to you, my man.
Yup. But yeah, it's downtown Grand. This downtown Grand Rapids where I'm at. How you guys doing?
Hey, how you doing, bro?
I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. You guys having a good time today? Happy Saturday, right? Yeah, rock on, baby. Go get some drink. Get two for me. All right. Yeah. But this is the bar right here. Two people come in and get drunk. Obviously, you can see people. What's up, bro? You good? All right. It's getting a little windy, so I'm gonna go walk down that way. Watch out. Where y'all guys going? Where I see you guys chilling. Hey, I see you chilling. I see you chilling. I know you want to be on the video. Say hi to the video. I know you want to say something. Hey, man. I know where you going. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it is what it is, right? You cool, you going there, you know what I'm saying? You gonna have a good time tonight? Get some drinks. Hey, get two shot for me. 2 shot. You feel me? 2 shot. All right?
I will. It's
Okay.
kinda nice.
All right, take care. How How you guys doing? All right, how you guys doing? All right, say hi. Hi, happy Saturday, happy Saturday. All right. What's up, brother, man? Chilling. Okay, we're gonna just do this. And I'm gonna go home. You walk fast, miss. It's like a bar, probably like a bar. I'm downtown Grand Rapids, really. Chilling, like a little bar right there, Soldier House. Chilling. What's up, bro? How you doing? Say hi to the camera. All right. Woo! All the little petrol cops out here, man. We just chilling, man. You know what I mean? So I guess a concert out here, man. But for me, I'll never go to no concert. I just be chilling. So this is how you get in this building. So we downtown Grand Rapids. I'm not going in. Show you guys. Ticket booth. So